Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix can't use this folder to protect your privacy. Choose another folder. So guys, if you want to send or copy any of the folder from other folder and it's not working, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So you can easily see here guys, it's grayed out. Use this folder option. When you tap on that guys, basically you can see this type of interface. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to close this page. Now let me close this page. Now open the settings. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on app management. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on app list. So guys, if you are getting this error with the Z archive, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So guys, if you don't have Z archive, you are getting there like this, and I'll show you how can you fix it. So just simply have to search for files. Here you can see guys, just simply have to tap on that. You have to clear the cache or storage of the files, and you can also clear the cache and storage of the file manager, and you can also see files by Google. From here you have to clear the cache or storage of this one, and if you have Z archiver, just simply you have to clear the cache or storage of this app. Now after that guys, you have to open the file manager. So let me open it guys. From here you can see the lot of files. Here you can see internal storage. So let me tell you that if you want to copy something and you want to paste it in the Android like this one, maybe that's why it's not working. You can see here guys. So let me show you here guys. When you copy something, let me copy it. Now I want to paste it. You can see here guys, it's not working for me. So you have to copy and paste in other folder. Okay guys, you cannot do that in Android. Okay guys, just simply have to copy some of the file and just simply have to put it in other folder. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.